What's going on, folks? I want to make this video real quick to show you something that you can do to keep your headlight assembly from getting cloudy like this and turning yellow. The difference in between this headlight right here basically and this headlight right here, which is both on the same vehicle, is the fact that this headlight over here, I did not apply some of this right here to it, which is a headlight coating pretty much that you put on your headlight before it turns that way. I applied some of this onto this one right here, and as you can see, there's a huge difference in between the headlight on this side and the headlight that's on this side. And for you to use this right here, what you need to do is apply this coating to it probably like once a year or something like that. You want to make sure that you clean your headlight really good first before you apply this headlight coating, which stops the sun pretty much from turning this plastic pretty much yellow and cloudy like that. So to keep having your headlights this way, there is stuff that you can get that you can kind of restore it back with, but to keep it from even happening, just go ahead and apply you some of this to it, headlight coating pretty much, and you will stop the headlight from being like that, and you will keep your headlight looking like that. Alright, please check out the other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.